Welcome to Health Nugget Media Channel, where we provide health-related nuggets and answer critical health questions to give valuable guides. Please, subscribe to this channel. Today's question we wish to address is, how do you do intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting is a popular trend that has gained momentum in recent years. Studies show that intermittent fasting can improve insulin sensitivity, lower inflammation, and help in weight loss. According to a review published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, intermittent fasting has been found to reduce oxidative stress and cellular damage, promote longevity and health span, and improve metabolic health. 1. What is intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern where you cycle between periods of eating and fasting. The most popular method is the 16/8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window. 2. How does intermittent fasting work? Intermittent fasting works by putting your body in a fasted state, which triggers the release of growth hormone, promotes fat oxidation and enhances insulin sensitivity. This helps in reducing inflammation, boosting cognitive function and improving overall health. 3. What can you eat during intermittent fasting? It's important to note that during fasting, you should avoid consuming any calorie-containing beverages, including coffee with cream or sugar. However, you can drink water, tea, or coffee without added sweeteners. During the eating period, you should eat nutrient-dense foods, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein. 4. Benefits of intermittent fasting. Studies show that intermittent fasting has a number of benefits including weight loss, improved insulin sensitivity, and a reduced risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and type 2 diabetes. A study published in the Journal of Translational Medicine found that intermittent fasting has the potential to improve cardiovascular health by reducing blood pressure, oxidative stress and inflammation. 5. Who should not try intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting may not be suitable for everyone, including pregnant women, people with a history of disordered eating, and individuals with low blood sugar levels. It's important to speak with a healthcare provider before starting any new eating pattern. In conclusion, intermittent fasting is a great way to improve overall health and wellness. However, it's important to do it in a safe and controlled manner. A review published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition recommends that intermittent fasting should be individualized, taking into account personal health, lifestyle and goals. Thank you for watching this video. Try to comment below and share this video. Please, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you once again.